1978 Pontiac Firebird Esprit here at Unique Specialty and Classics. Glacier blue in color. That is the original color of this car. Blue interior. 305 V8 under the hood. Nicely equipped power steering, power brakes, AC. Let's go ahead and take a look at this front facing grille. 305 is paired up with an automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350 to be exact. And as you can see, paint shows well in this one. It is a newer paint, so it has underwent a repaint and shows nicely. Take your time looking through the still pictures. You'll be able to see it from every angle. Interior, engine bay, trunk, undersides, uniqueclassiccars.com. Click on the link down below this video in the description if you're seeing it on YouTube. That's going to take you right to our website and check out all the still pictures. And of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Wire wheel covers, radial tires. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see panels are nice and straight, not full of any major nicks, dings, or scratches. Interior appears to be the original fabric, and again, blue in color. Bucket seats, center console. We'll get around to the driver's side, take a little closer look at that. Start it up, let you hear it run. And stick around at the very end of this video. We will take it for a drive too, so you can see how it goes down the road. Take you for a virtual ride, if you will. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. Take a look at the rear of this rear wing, or spoiler, I guess, if you will. Some recent service work done to this. It does have a new fuel tank, also battery, plugs, wires, distributor cap, and rotor. It'll fire right up each time I've turned the key. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pictures. And if you like older sports cars like this, I guess, maybe you like street rods, maybe like late model Corvettes and Mustangs, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you might get to see on our videos. All these vehicles come through our showroom and website, are for sale when you see them listed on here. And they are updated daily, so you will see videos every day getting posted. Let's take a little closer look at this interior. Tilt column, door panels. You'll be able to see pictures of the interior from every angle also. Again, you can see the cloth fabric. Not really any major rips, tears, or holes in it. Let's go ahead and fire this up. All right, now I did notice the water temp gauge, little needle that is in op. Looks like oil pressure is working fine. Voltmeter, fuel gauge. I have had the blower fan working. Also radio, I did turn this on, it worked earlier. A little bit of static, but comes in. Top of the dash, looks good. The headliner looks good. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nothing crazy as far as the exhaust goes, nothing over the top. Sounds pretty stock. Getting that 305 underneath the hood, paired up with the automatic transmission, turbo hydromatic 350. All right, let me pause this a second. Remember, stick around to the very end of this video. We're taking it for a drive, but first let's look at this engine bay. We'll wrap up this walk around. There's a look at the hood liner and the V8. Power steering, power brakes, AC once again. Pretty stock looking engine bay also. AC has been converted, judging by the fittings there. 134A from the R12. 1978 Pontiac Esprit, glacier blue in color. Call us 507-386-1726. Unique ClassicCars.com. Check out all the still pictures. Take a look at the undersides. Look like original floor pans. Take a peek at that. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 1978 Pontiac Firebird Esprit. And this is in brand new paint. Beautiful blue paint. A lot of days you can find a nice running car and what it needs is paint, and you'll pay more for paint than you will to fix any little thing. That might be wrong with it, even if you do it yourself. This is a nice running car with great paint job. Our speedometer is working. It's reading 50 miles an hour right now. Oil pressure is over 40. There is no needle on the water temperature gauge that I can see. Factory looking radio. Things that's better after all. Playing some old country. Our windshield wipers are working. This car is a nice ride down the road. Feels as it should for a 78 Firebird. Steering wheel's clocked a bit to the left, but that doesn't affect performance at all. And letting go of it, this car stays nice and straight. The speedometer, I believe, is making a clicking noise. You only hear it when you get a little bit faster, but it starts clicking. Nice cloth seats, soft cloth seats in this car. Factory looking, but they're extra plush and comfortable. This car corners as it should. Automatic transmission, so it is easy to drive. Take a look at all the pictures and learn about this Firebird at uniqueclassiccars.com.